Hi, welcome to Udentity. Now that you have been approved, we'll show you how to use our platform. Once logging in, you'll be first presented with your profile page. Here, you can show to students and high school counselors across Asia what your university is all about. We recommend adding as many images or videos or information about your university to help students get a better picture about what your university has to offer. Drag elements and edit information such as what's important allows you students to understand better about what you look at in the application. Add links so that you can direct them to the relevant pages. Once you have edited your profile, we recommend that you check out the events section, where you'll be able to create events to directly engage with students and high schools. To create an event, fill out the relevant information. An online event will mean that you use our live streaming tool, Udentity Live, which you can see a tutorial of later on. An in-person event could be a college fair or an info session that you host in person. A public event means that every user, whether student or counselor, will be notified about the event that you've just created. A private event allows you to get a unique link that you send directly to individuals you want to invite, whether that be accepted students or from a particular high school. Counselors means your event will only notify high school counselors that are using Udentity. Select Stream From to have a direct channel between you as a host and your audience. Date and time allows you to set a time that will automatically calculate what it would be for your audience in Asia. Adding a description and uploading a file will help attract an audience to your event. For every event that you have hosted, you can use our Udentity Live software in the Udentity Live section over here, where you can download it and see how the event can be done. For every event hosted, you'll be able to access the analytics of it. The My Events section will show upcoming events that you have, where you can edit the information, or show past event analytics for you to see a breakdown of where your audience members were, the engagement level, as well as devices that they had used. You can export the data by clicking on the export data that allows you to download a CSV file for you to use. To see signups, just click on signups. They'll have a breakdown of the students in high schools, as well as a viewing link to see the event from the audience's perspective, like so. A key part to Udentity is the ability to learn more about the high schools across Asia, as well as connect with the counselors there. You can filter through data and see the types of schools across the region. You'll be able to see here a map showing all the high schools in the data based on your filters, as well as being able to see which high schools with a verification tick have been claimed and are managed by a counselor or a teacher. To be able to see their profile, just click on it, and then you'll be presented with a basic information profile of that high school. You'll be presented with basic information such as the address, the website, school profile, as well as curriculum and accreditations that school has. In the case of some high schools, they will upload their school profile so that you can look at more detailed information about them. If you'd like to message the high school, just click message, and then you'll be presented with a chat room where you can actually directly contact that high school counselor. Last but not least, with high schools, you can actually see the calendar that they have to look at dates that you might want to host a live stream or even visit them. And once you input any information here, it will direct you to the messaging page linked to the date that you had specified. Now that you've gotten a quick tutorial, you can last but not least look at your followers to see the students or high school counselors or live stream views that you've had. The settings and privacy page allow you to edit the amount of notifications that you get or change your password. For any questions about Udentity or Udentity Live, feel free to chat with us by clicking on the chat button over here. Or if you would like to email us directly, feel free to email us at team@udty.tech. We look forward to helping you with your international outreach or hearing your feedback on how to improve Udentity. Thank you.